Hello and welcome to today's walking tour. I'm going to start here on the beach, and really just for the sole reason, just to show you the beach erosion that can happen in Khao Lak. We're going to walk through the Baan Khaolak Resort here. It's quite close to the lighthouse, which is just here. You can see it, so that gives you an idea of perspective where it is. Um, Came in here the other day for a little beachside cocktail around about sunset and a swim in their pool. And today I'm just going to do a little walkthrough from the beach. As you can see here, the erosion is really starting to affect this hotel. All along here they've tried to build a retainer which has just been washed away, and since we've been here, just this little section here has collapsed. So unless they sort this out, I think they're going to be losing a little bit more of their beachfront, which is a real shame. I think the tides there can be quite strong during bad weather, and the sand is just getting washed away. So yeah, that's not a negative point about the hotel. It's just more around about the environment and the actual environment. So I'm just going to do a little walk through, show you the pool, show you what kind of accommodation you can expect. And here we have the beachfront villas. So these are straight onto the beach. I'll just give you a spin round so you can see. A big positive here is look at the amount of shade you're going to get. So if you want to be a little bit cooler and not in direct sunlight, these are a really nice option. Okay, let's walk you through. We're in June, mid-June, very low season. I don't think there'll be a lot of people here at the moment, but I just wanted to give you kind of an overall impression. They may or may not be doing renovation work here at the moment. A few hotels in the area are currently closed due to maintenance, and quite a few are just undergoing maintenance and staying open at the same time. It's low season, so you can completely understand. Now, we sat around the pool here the other day, and there's a little island just off Bali called Nusa, which I go frequently to go diving on. And the pool area here just has that vibe of Nusa. It's got a little swim up bar. So you got your little swim up bar here and your main pool bar here. And to the hotel's credit, which I do like, they have shallow water entry steps, and they have disabled pool access for people with disabilities. And they really have thought about people with disabilities here. They have a specialist disabled toilet, and you can sit down and have your shower here. So you have your disabled toilet just here. It's signposted for the fact. So yeah, they have taken into consideration people with disabilities here. So thumbs up, well played. Okay, so there's your pool, and I said it just totally gives me that little island feel, that Balinese, Nusa kind of island feel. I really do like these types of accommodation that you offer you shade. Some of the newer resorts just have either just cut the trees down or just built on land where there are no trees. It becomes stifling hot, way too hot just to sit down and relax in. But this place just reminds me, it's just a call back to nature. Hear the birds. I do apologise, my lens, I think I've got a thumbprint on. So it's not the clearest of pictures. My hands are too sweaty, so I can't even clean it. Time of filming, we are in the second week of June, so we are in low season, so the weather's hit and miss. It can be torrential downpours or it can be blistering sunshine like today. I think we're in 34 today, judging by the temperature on the weather app. This looks like a restaurant, bar area. Like I say, it's low season, don't even know if it's open, but this looks like where, yeah, breakfast. You've got your time for breakfast here. Just an overview. It may or may not be open, I don't know. It's past breakfast time. But in high season, obviously, this will be the place where you sit down and have something to eat in the morning. What's in here? Oh, little area for... looks like a little private area for dining. Yet again, it looks like they have rooms for disabled people. Yet again, thumbs up and a big credit to the hotel for that. The pathways are quite flat, quite wide, and will be perfect for wheelchair access, so yeah. And we come to reception area. This is where you'll arrive at the hotel off the main road. The main road will just run behind here and you will then drop down to come into the hotel area. Morning! The cap. Oh, the Thai people are just so friendly. They are just the best people in the world. Little children's play area. Oops, nearly fell over that. There we go. Oh, I can really sense the nature here. It looks like they've created a little lagoony pond type thing. Sensibly netted it off so the kids can't fall in. It looks man-made. You can see it's made with concrete. There's a little fish in here, I can see. Yep. I'm sure there's the odd lizard floating around as well. I'll just walk you back to the reception area and I'll conclude the video there. If you do like this kind of walkthrough video, just gives people an idea of what to expect. Like I've said on previous videos, the booking sites or the hotel websites only show the best of the best. This just gives you an overall view of what the hotel looks like now. Time of filming is mid-June 2024. I'm going to pop into reception, get an idea of room rates, and I'll put the room rates in the description below. Okay. Do like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.